Okay, now let's have a look at some special operators that I think you should pay more attention to. So the first one is the equal sign. It's a bit different from the equal sign we've learned in maths. So here, equal sign is to give a variable a value. For example, x here is a variable. It didn't have any value before until we put equal sign next to it and then put a value next to it. So now the value of x is 2. Okay, the second one, double equal sign. So it means comparison. We're comparing the value of x with 2. So it's basically saying, are they equal? Are they the same? So the third one is exclamation mark with equal sign. So which means it's not equal. So x is not equal to 4. Now let's have a look at some examples. A equals to 20. So we give a this variable value of 20, and then b equals to 20 as well. If a equals to b, so we're comparing a and b. Are they the same? If they are the same, then print a is equal to b. Else, print a is not equal to b. Okay, let's run it. A is equal to b. Okay, another example. If we say a is 20, this time I change it to b to 10. So if a is not equal to b, print a is not equal to b. Else, print a is equal to b. What do you think the result will be? Let's see. A is not equal to b. Does it make sense? Now, let's have a look at the activity. So write a program that prompts the user to enter a number 1 to 10. The program will translate the number to French and display the French word. So here we need to create a variable, maybe name it as number, to hold the user input. So it could be any number they put in. Then we compare this user input with the number 1 to 10. So here we need to use double equal sign, okay, to compare. Then if it equals to 1, for example, then we display 1. If it's 2, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you do the rest. Good luck. Thank you.